So hello, welcome back. This is me, Thomas. So today I have a few see a few of these Linux applications I'm going to try out. Um, this might not look like a lot, but Fish Shell is an interesting shell to work with, and Suckless tools is also a very interesting topic in the Linux community. So like every day, like it's always been, I'm using my Raspberry Pi Zero 02 to emulate it because you don't need much to run some simple Linux shell application. So I have an SSH server in here and a VNC control over it, so I can control it and record it from my computer. Alright, so for first thing is Fish Shell. Let me spend a moment here to look into how it's going to be installed and how it runs. Peace out. So here is the Fish Shell official website, I guess, and I'm curious if I can sudo install it from apt. So let's do it. Sudo apt install fish. I doubt this will work, but well, looks like it's working. Oh my god. Okay, this is weird. Cause like if you see here, right, the Raspberry Pi OS is Debian, so there's no official script run on Debian and Ubuntu, but there's on Fedora and Arch, which is interesting because normally the Arch users are the ones struggling more with it. Alright, let's just see how it goes so I can try out. And fish. Ooh, it's working. That's cool. Oh, it's working. So one of the things about Fish is that it is like an IDE inside of a shell. It automatically, it automatically suggests to you what it could be around. Like here, see that before I'm clear I type C and sort of say clear L. I don't know what that means, but sure. That is super cool. Let me look into what other features the Fish Shell can do, and I'll get back to you guys. So I found this documentation on, not a documentation, but more like an article on FOSS about the Fish Shell, right? So of course we already see that it can auto correct some of your stuff. But it turns out you can also access like a lot of the history of your normal shell, of what commands you used before. I'm not sure what's the difference is between that and the normal shell, but if you put fish private in, you can actually, I think you can actually run fish on here. Okay, you can run fish on the terminal. Yeah, that's cool. Fish private. Oh, so fish is running in private mode. History will not be persisted. So let's say htop cancel. Oh, and let's say ls. Clear. No, it's okay. Oh, so no history before the first script or command of private will be recorded. Alright, I'm not sure how different that is, but let's see. Fish P profile maybe? Okay. So I guess now we're out of private. That is cool. Let's see, hostname, right? Name. Okay. Well, I guess not that great yet, but okay. Xclick, what does that do? Alright. That is pretty cool. It's a new shell. I've seen a lot of people trying to play around with it. I'll leave it back to you guys, but alright. So on to the next thing. The next thing I wanted to try out are the Suckless tools. If you guys have ever been into the Linux community with Suckless tools, it is a really cool tool built by a bunch of good developers, right? So we'll see what we have here. So we got DWM. I'm gonna try this out sometimes, but not today. SD, the simple terminal implementation of X. How do you install it? Okay. Let's see. Install SD terminal. SD term. Alright. I guess we can try that out. How do you exit out of fish? How to exit fish out? Exit. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty good. Fish exit? I don't know. How do you exit it? I mean, I guess we can just have it there for now. Alright, let's install SD term. Sudo install SD term. Here we are, it's going. Looks like it's so low in terms of storage. It doesn't even require me to say yes or no, I guess. I want to try this out. Looks like it's a pretty lightweight package. Okay. SD term. Cool. Alright. Alright, that's not bad. I'm gonna close on that. I'll take that terminal and open SD term again. Alright. Okay. It's a cool looking one, I guess. Not sure what's the difference between that and the other things. So the thing about SD term. SD terminal, right? It's a simple by Suckless. Alright, looks like it's not as bad. Can resize it. It's written C. Okay. I mean, I'm looking for stuff written in Rust these days because I heard Rust is really good for some stuff. Core, right? What is core doing here? Programming Suckless user foundation. Alright. Surf. It's a simple web browser. I want to try this one out because I've been struggling a lot with my Raspberry Pi 02 with web browsing. I'm using this thing called Links 2, which is amazing. It disables like any kind of like HDMI, and it's, I mean, my bad. It disables any kind of JavaScript there is, which is interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try to serve out. So let's now test this out. Install serve. Okay, that's broken. That is a lightweight package for a web browser, dude. It's really lightweight. It's like less than 1 megabyte. Oh, interesting. It is working. Let's full screen. I guess I'll wait for a little bit. Huh, that's interesting. Let's see what's going on here. Using not so much RAM at all. Doesn't do it normally, which is weird. So let's open a web browser. I guess right now we have Firefox, but huh. So plugin supported. Okay, that's weird. Let me just do an update. Alright, it's not too bad. I was gonna pause the video and, you know, not have you guys wait for it, but I guess we can continue looking to the next, tool we're going to try to play around with. Well, I guess that's that. Huh. I see. I'm guessing they're playing around with DWM next time. It's a great window manager though. I heard you can't install it from source, which is from AUR, which is like a simple command, but I guess I can play around with that. Alright, seems like it's taking a long time. I'm gonna pause it right here for you guys. Alright, so the update went well. Well, it took a bit too long, but let's see if the Surf web browser is working fine this time. Okay, I'm still getting the same message or error. As you see. Also, it's it's pretty slow and buggy. Even slower than Firefox for some reason. Oh, we'll work it out later. I guess that's pretty much it for today. Let me see what else I can look into. Fish cell, Suckless, surf browser. That's pretty much it. Alright. Well, there is Park Wall I was wanted to try out, but I did try that out on the last video though. Unsuccessfully, that's for sure. Alright, that's it for today's video, so thank you for watching.